everybody, it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com back with a 2-Minute Tuesday tip. And today we are going to be talking about the Graceful Glass Designer Vellum. Guys, beautiful vellum. It looks like stained glass, so stunning. But we're going to talk a little bit about which ink we should use to color those in, which is going to be the best, whether that be the Stampin' Up markers or the Stampin' Blends. As you are coloring on the vellum, you're going to want to start with your lightest color. That way we don't run the risk of cross-contaminating the markers, but you can see it colors in very nicely. You can then come in with your next lightest color. So I'm going to come in, this is just Pool Party, coming up right next to that Crushed Curry. And of course you can see I just continued to color with Poppy Parade and Cherry Cobbler. Now I do like the look of this, but the markers do give me just a little bit more of, oh, do I dare say a blotchier look. It still gives the illusion of stained glass because remember, stained glass is bumpy. Now, let me bring in the card with the Stampin' Blends. Just as we did before, we're gonna start with the lightest color and we can color these in. But what I liked about working with the blends is it has kind of a smoother finished look. So that was the dark daffodil, and now I can come in with the dark Pool Party. So there you go. You kind of have two choices here. If you like the more rough texture, maybe more of a real stained glass, Stampin' Up markers are the way to go. But if you love the smooth look and like to do more blending, Stampin' Blends are going to be your friend. Guys, I got to tell you, I don't think you can go wrong with either type of marker, but whatever you do, make sure you get your hands on this gorgeous designer vellum because it is fabulous. And you can find that over at SimplySimpleStamping.com. Be sure to check that out. Guys, I hope you found today's tip on coloring on vellum helpful, and we will see you on the next video. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.